Dogs and cats do snore, especially our flat-faced friends, the bulldogs, the pugs, the boxers, the Boston Terriers, the Lhasas, the Shih Tzus, and the Shar-Peis, and our cat friends, the Himalayans and Persians. Our flat-faced friends have elongated soft palates, and they can have floppy sacs in their voice box. There's other breeds, and also the mixed breeds, that will snore because of polyps, tumors, allergies, being overweight, or chronic respiratory infections. In my practice, we get few complaints or questions about snoring because we veterinarians don't ask. If we ask, we'll find that there really is a problem with snoring with our dogs and cats. After we identify what's causing snoring, surgery, allergy medications, antibiotics, weight loss and thyroid medications, or complementary therapies such as homeopathic preparations may be used. A homeopathic formulation can gently reduce the swelling and increase the air passage in the throat so that our animal friends can breathe easier.